Hello everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a transparent background in Photoshop. It is perfect for logo designs. Maybe you have a logo and you want to cut it out, or you have an image you want to place on top of other design. Let's get started. So I have a transparent text logo and which I have saved, so I'm just going to go and bring it. So the first thing is to import it, so I'm just going to drag it like this and bring it into Photoshop. So I have a logo design with just a text kind of logo, so I need this to be removed. All right, so the second thing you do first is to import, second is to unlock this, because most of the times when you bring it, it will have a background locked. So you either double click on this, it will happen, or you just click on this, it will happen. All right, so once you do any of this, the two of it will, you have your background unlocked. Now with the background unlocked, that will allow you to be able to do anything to it. So you can maybe first maybe reduce this if you so wish. That's not really, I'm just, you can maybe just crop it to this level first before you apply the tool that will remove the background. All right, so I'm going to use magic wand, so I'll just click on magic wand and say magic wand, and I'll select the layer, then I'll just click once here. So once I do that, you see that the whole thing is selected. So Control D to deselect. So we still have some part of this place that are having the white, so I'll just click on it once, then use the backspace to remove all of them, use the white space. All right, so then Control D finally to remove everything. Now you see we have our logo that has already been, and then once your background is removed, you'll be left with this checkerboard kind of sign that shows it is transparent. All right, so this is how to make a background transparent. Now with time to come, we will try to deep dive into other ways of removing backgrounds and all of that. This is just to show you how you can make a background transparent. So that's it from me today. If you see value in this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and leave us a love symbol. So thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.